In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a limit order in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to select the asset you want to trade. So I just went to Bitcoin USD over here, and then you want to open up the trade window. So there's a few ways to do this. You could press new order up top. You could go and right click on the asset and click on new order, or you could press F9 on your keyboard and it's going to open up as well. Now, when you're in here to place a limit order, you want to go to limit order here on the left, and there we go. This is how you can do it. So we can go and set the volume. I'm going to put it like this, and then you have to set the price as well. You could use these arrows, or of course, you could go and type it in manually. And then if you want to add stop losses and take profits, as well as your expirations over here. And of course, if you want to add additional comments to your orders, you can do that as well. And then you can go ahead and buy or sell, okay? So that's essentially how to place a limit order. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.